There you go. Cracked shrimp, crab shrimp, in less than 30 minutes. Serve it over some rice. Alrighty. Ow, crap, it's hot. Alrighty. Let's try this crab shrimp. It's about to burn my mouth. Oh my god. Honey, come here. Okay, baby tax. He can't eat the shrimp yet, but he can eat the rice with the crab sauce.
Bomb.
He likes it. He likes it.
That? Give me that flavor. Oh, you were waiting for it.
He wants more. It's a winner. You like that, huh? More.